Hey, Cozy Car Covers fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something special for you. We're checking out the HAIYAOTIMES waterproof and non-slip car seat covers. Whether you've got kids or pets or want to keep your seats looking fresh, this might be the perfect solution. Let's dive in and see what these covers are all about. First, let's discuss what you get in the package. The HAIYAOTIMES seat covers come as a set for both the front and back seats. Thanks to their universal fit, they're designed to fit most cars, trucks, and SUVs. The installation is super straightforward. They slip on easily and have adjustable straps to keep them secure. No tools are needed, which is always a plus. Now let's talk about design and quality. These covers are made from a high-quality waterproof material that feels durable yet comfortable. The non-slip backing is a game changer, ensuring the covers stay in place, even with constant use. Let's delve into the standout features of the HAIYAOTIMES seat covers. These covers are not just waterproof, they're fully waterproof, making them a lifesaver for those unexpected spills, whether it's a coffee mishap or a pet-related mess. They have got you covered. The non-slip backing is a game changer, ensuring the covers stay in place even with constant use. They're designed with a universal fit and will work with most vehicles. And the best part? They're a breeze to clean. Wipe them down or toss them in the washing machine. It's that simple. Now let's compare the HAIYAOTIMES seat covers to other options on the market. In terms of price, they're a steal compared to the XYZ brand seat covers, offering the same, if not better, quality and features. The waterproof and non-slip aspects set them apart, making them a smart and affordable choice. Let's quickly run through the pros and cons. The HAIYAOTIMES seat covers are waterproof and easy to clean, which is a significant advantage. The non-slip backing keeps them securely in place, eliminating the hassle of constant readjustments. Their universal fit makes them a versatile choice for a wide range of vehicles and comes at an affordable price point. On the downside, the color options are limited, and they might not fit larger trucks perfectly. In summary, the HAIYAOTIMES waterproof and non-slip car seat covers are a fantastic option for anyone looking to protect their car seats without breaking the bank. They're durable, easy to install and maintain, making them ideal for busy families, pet owners, and anyone who wants to keep their car looking sharp. If you're ready to upgrade your car's interior with the HAIYAOTIMES waterproof and non-slip car seat covers, click the Amazon link below to check them out. Trust me, your car seats will thank you. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more car seat cover reviews, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave a comment sharing your favorite car seat covers. Until next time, keep it cozy, gearheads.